How to change lock screen notification style on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. When you lock your phone, you can see the notification icon on your lock screen at the top. You can see the app icon. If you want to change it, unlock your device, open the app drawer on your phone, tap the settings app, now scroll down, tap the notifications. Here you can find the lock screen notification option, tap on it. Here you can see the three different options on your Samsung device. By default set the icon so you can see the icon. When you select the dot you can see the remove the icon and see the dot on your lock screen. And the last you can see the card option. In card you can see the notification or message also on the lock screen. So select the option you want to set. Here you can see when you have a notification a dot will be shown in the status bar. It will disappear from the status bar after you open the notification panel. So you can select dot, icons or cards. First let's see we select card. Now lock your phone and you can see the cards on your lock screen. If you want to change it, again follow the same step. Go to the lock screen notification setting. Here we select the dot. Now lock your phone and you can see the dots only on your device. So it's quite easy to change the lock screen notification style on your device. That's it. Like it, share it.